Welcome back, family. Welcome back to T&J Construction. Today I have another important and special edition for you. But first, we're going to be bringing you an update on the Yoda Clinic and what's going on with that. We also going to be showing you some of our work we did some part of last year. We want to check on that to see how that's coming on here in the Twin Cities area. And I'm also going to be showing you some of our current project we are working on in the Twin Cities or Minnesota area here. And I have another very cost-effective, efficient construction material for you, that could save you a boatload of money in your construction project that we will be implementing when I get to Liberia. So you might want to stick around and watch this entire video through. Okay, guys, let's dive into it. Hey guys, my name is Sam Tay. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. This is T&J Construction. We are the bridge between you and your construction project in Liberia. Meaning, if you live in the diaspora and you're trying to execute a construction project back home, but you don't want to go through family and friends, and you don't have the time to go back and forth, you come to T&J Construction. If you don't have a blueprint or house plan, we can draw one for you. We give you an estimate. We can write you our contract. If we have a deal, we can go into taking over your construction project. You pay us right here in the United States, and we do your projects right there back home. Pictures, videos, receipts of all your materials, everything going to be transparent. If you want to purchase your materials yourself, that's fine with us. We'll guide you through the process, help you everywhere we can, but we'll still do your project, to the quality that you are looking for. All right. I would like to take this time, though, to thank all of our customers that we are working with so far, people that we have been doing a lot of blueprints for. Lately, we have been doing a lot of house plan for people. We'd like to thank all our customers. For our customers we are already building for in Liberia, we want to say thank you. For our customers here in the Minneapolis area that we are, doing some remodel work for, home improvement projects, we want to say thank you for your business, and we appreciate you a lot. I would like to also take this time to thank all of our subscribers, all of our viewers. Thank you. To our new subscribers, who want to say you're welcome, and you're not making a mistake for subscribing. But let's get into the update on the Yoda Clinic and some of our past work in the Minneapolis area and some of our current project we are doing. And also towards the end of that, I have another excellent construction material I'm going to be introducing to you guys, so you can be able to make an informed decision. Something that will be cost effective, efficient, and smart in another sense, that you could use to execute your construction project. All right, let's dive into the update, and we'll talk about that later. All right, guys, let's dive into it. I was still delayed for a couple of days. However, they came through, and we were also running out of sand and coarse aggregate. We communicated that effectively with our client, Z Properties, and they were to provide us with 2 truckloads, which is 12 blades, 6 blades in each truck. We also received the gravel we asked for, the coarse aggregate. If you look at it, we have 2 sizes in there. We have the 1/2 inch coarse aggregate and the 1/4 inch coarse aggregate. So the 1/4 inch coarse aggregate will be used for the pillars and columns and beams, while the 1/2 inch will be used for the foundation footing. So as you can see, the truck is delivering those on site, and with my guys been sitting around a little bit, they were all excited and motivated to keep the project going. So that's what T&J does. We are on top of our game when it comes to doing your work. We want to make sure you get the absolute best. Yeah, there's the guys. I mean, once the materials came in, they just pick up full steam and, you know, dive into it, and the work continue from there.
Projects for the Yoda Healthcare. We are currently on the stage of the black lane. We've started today, so let me take a close view so you can see what I'm talking about when it comes to this black lane. You see in the straight plane we're in right now, we've targeted this line today. See what's going on, and let me take you to the motor joints of them. They have got a very close look. Okay, you see what's going on here. All of our motor joints are in tight. This is how I love to see the interlocking. Yeah, I don't like to see that kind of elbowing motor joints. I love to see it being straight plane. This is what I always, you know, to our workers, to have our blacks in tight. You know, when you do the interlocking like this, all of the walls, the hollows that are supposed to be showing will be locked, and the blacks will keep firm. It will be very tight. Okay, so this is what happening. I know you are enjoying this now, so we're gonna see how best to give you the best when it comes to this project. Yoda Healthcare, we are here for you, okay? Z Properties. So you people just need to relax as we do our best here. Okay, so you seen it? I'm taking a keen look. So all of the updates going to be coming your way anytime. Okay, like the last time I was talking on the stairs area. You see what happened just now? Here, right? We drop here, and then we go up. So the courses, I was talking about the 9 courses. You know, we were talking about the last time on the 14. You see what's happening now? Here, this is the 14 for this side. And when you come to this side on this level, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then when you come to this side, you come up. After this 14, there's another 14 here. You come up, you come 1, 2, 3. So here becomes 3, here becomes 4 because of the stairs. The land is rising and falling, so definitely you have a change in the footing. Okay, but when we're doing that, our main target should be up here. We're doing that because we want all of the places up here to be on the same level. Okay, to be on the same level. So let me bring the level so you can see what I'm talking about here. Okay, like I was saying, okay, to be on the same level. So let me bring the level so you can see what I'm talking about here. Okay, like I was saying, please hold this camera for me. Let be landscape, yeah. So as I was saying, you see what's going on here? The courses we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, because of this 14 drop, it is come up based on the 9 inches. Because so now this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. But our target is to get this level up here and this level up there on the same plane. So we will not have a rise and fall within the, you know, the foundation. So see right here what's going on. When I place this level here and I leave it, the spirit level, which is the gauge, is been telling that it's on the dock here. The water is come closer. The air that is into this liquid is being in the center of this, you know, of this level. So it tells you that this entire thing, all of them, they are on the same plane. Okay, anyway I carry it, it's on the same plane. I bring it, it's on the same plane. So you seen it? So that's what we are you know, normally do T&J construction. So we want to say thanks for being there. We are gradually getting somewhere. See you later, and thanks for being there. T&J construction, this is how far we are. Okay,
this is one of our projects. We did this deck about a year ago, and we just stopped by to see if everything is still good, and everything looks good so far. Customer is very satisfied with their work, and that's what we do. After we do your work, we always swing back to double check, make sure everything is still good, intact. As you can see, there's the decking board. This one don't have a stairs. You come onto the deck from any house. That's how he wanted it. So I have a stairs. You can see this is the neighborhood. Yep. And we'll put out one of the best deck on the block. T&J Construction. Again, that's what we do. We do your work, and we swing by in a year to check on you, see how everything's going with the project we did for you. All right, guys. All right, peace. Love you guys. Take care. This is a paint job we did. As you can see, we got everything in the middle away from the walls. But look at the lines, guys. Look at the edges. Flawless, clean finish. It doesn't matter whether we are working inside or outside. Our attention to details is unmatched. So that's the kind of quality of work we're going to be giving you throughout, from the block laying process of your project to the interior finish. When we tell you we are a one-stop shop, we actually mean it by every letter in our sentence. We are a one-stop shop. So just wanted to show you our hands in paint, and this is our current project we are working on, changing all the carpet and stuff like that. Yeah, we're almost wrapping this thing up. The floor almost done. Just left with the finishing, the quarter rounds. As you can see, it was all carpet. This was all carpet. Done. Almost down here. Level quarter rounds and transition pieces. That's all we need right now. To spare room to is fully covered. Same flooring everywhere. Closet. Cover. Yep. Next will be the bathroom. But we got a vanity, everything in there. Top out of the glass door. Yep. Doors everywhere still, but still under construction. Soon be ready. And then this room. Floor too is done. But look at the lights in here. Yep. But right now it's all about the floor. In the closet. Done. Yep, just like with the finishing touches, guys. T&J Construction. Continuation all the way down there. Alright. Okay, family, let's keep it real. A lot of folks have been reaching out to me, showing me pictures of the design, the one, and the type of house, the sizes, and everything they are looking for. And when I show them or give them an estimate, they'll be like, oh wow, I didn't know the materials alone were going to be costing this much. Yes, remember, every foot you add to a room definitely increase the price. So if you're not ready to do a huge project yet, but you just want something down there, you can start small. You know, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, something portable that you can build quickly. And once you are on the ground yourself, or you know, once you see how that process go, how much the cost is, then you can actually go into your dream home. But if you want to do your dream home right away and you have a couple of years planned out to be able to take care of that project, definitely we can do your work in phases. But construction is not cheap, guys. Then that's the fact. It's not cheap. We are not even making a lot of profit. Our overhead margin is so small because our guys, transportation, getting the guys to the site, taking care of their feeding, and just the everyday grind, you know, or keeping the guys motivated to execute your project, it costs a lot of money. And so we just don't want people to think that, oh, you know, I didn't think it was going to be that high in price. Yeah, I mean, back in the day when cement bed was like $6, $5, or $4, I mean, you know, the price were reasonable and everything was normal then. But now with the current situation going on in the world, I mean, with the prices of everything being high, food prices, everything is high. Definitely our workers are expecting, you know, a little bit of a higher, you know, rate in pay, you know, to be able to do those projects. And they are doing an excellent job, to be honest with you guys. So yeah, the price is a little bit up there. And to be honest, our price is completely fair. It's not over the top as far as our workmanship. For the materials, we don't have control over that. And that's why I'm going to be introducing to you the ISSB, you know, interlocking stabilized soil block, or as some will call the Adobe hydrofoam, you know, hydraulic press blocks. So just wanted to, you know, make sure we clear that off the way. And I think, you know, people need to hear that. If you find a house plan online, you want to go about the nice, beautiful homes that you see online, these homes, or you watching some of the homes from Ghana and Nigeria, yeah, these homes are costing people some good bread to be able to build those homes. So it's not going to be that cheap to do these projects. Just want you to keep that in the back of your mind. But there are other cost-saving alternatives that T&J will work with you on to be able to help you still achieve your goal. You know, maintaining quality, getting where you want, and at the same time saving you some money in the process. All right, guys. But let's look at this block that I'm talking about and check it out. You know, and see if that's something that might even interest you. Luckily for us, we have our own Liberian brother in the Minneapolis area too as well, that already have a couple of the machines that is building those blocks. So but his cost for making those brakes, because he's using an hydraulic press and he use generators to operate, so definitely increasing the cost, and the cost of transportation to get the Adobe soil to the site to make those blocks is also up there. So, but still overall, for what you're going to be paying for the blocks and the advantage it's going to be giving you, you're still going to be saving some money. We can use those blocks for all your interiors partition. We can use it for the entire construction. We can use them for your fence. And yeah, they are good blocks. I'm going to be using them myself when I get there in November for my boys quarter, and just to be able to show to people that I believe in those blocks myself. So, but let's check it out and you make your own decision from there. All right, guys, let's dive into it.
Hey guys, welcome back. In these few clips that you're about to watch, we're going to be doing some few tests on the quality of the brick. So the brick is made out of sand, subsoil, and cement mixed together and compressed in these machines. And what we're about to test is when it comes out of the mold, the strength level, how well can it withstand a certain level of pressure. And that's what my guy about to demonstrate. And it holds up very, very well against pressure, fresh out of the mold. You can walk on it and you won't leave any visible marks. It's just well made, well compressed. These machines are awesome, and the brick always come out beautiful and consistent, nice shape and colors, and you can do whatever you want to do. And in this clip, we're going to throw it around. These are bricks that we made 2 days prior to us making this video. And mind you, it takes about 21 days for it to fully cure on the inside. But we're just testing it out. How will it withstand some more pressure? And these guys been throwing it around, and there's nothing happening to it. Like, we can't get it to break. So that's a great sign of a very high quality brick, great material being used. And you can do whatever testing you want to do. These testings let us know the quality of the brick, when transporting the brick, making sure that it's not going to break, especially when it's fully cured. It's going to be super strong, that it can withstand anything. And so you can throw it up, do your own testing, and the strength is really well, and the brick is really well made. And these bricks are being thrown at least like 15-20 feet in the air, and it can still withstand those pressures hitting the ground. And the possibilities of these bricks are very endless. First of all, they're beautiful in color. The dimensions are nice, and you can do anything you want to do. You can build nice houses, schools, apartments, anything you want to do. Very beautiful fencing around your house. And the best part is you don't need to plaster a lot of these things, so it's saving you a lot of money. So the possibility is endless. Thanks for watching.
There you have it, family. Happy Independence Day. Happy July 26th. Remember, my 26th on you. All right, guys. I will see you in the next one. Peace.